true or false? The largest cru in Beaujolais is Brulé.
Okay, answers coming in now. My favorite answer so far from John is maybe. Um, so let's see here. We have pretty split between true and false. So you're going to have to reveal the correct answer on this one.
It's true. This is the largest cru of Beaujolais, is Brulé.
Nice. I still like John's answer. Maybe.
Maybe. That is a good answer. So what is the soil in northern Beaujolais? Is it granite? Is it terra rosa? Is it slate? Or is it clay? What is the soil in northern Beaujolais? Granite, terra rosa, slate, or clay? What is a soil? I always love asking soil questions.
Okay, so here they're a little bit all over. We have clay, granite, terra rosa, question mark. So I would say here, so far we're pretty split between clay and granite.
All right, well, granite is the correct answer. Northern Beaujolais is best known for having the granite soils, and that's where your crus are going to be more found. Or all found, I should say. So, speaking of crus, how many crus of Beaujolais are there? Is it 6, 8, 10, or 12? See if everybody remembers how many crus there are.
Okay, here we have some unity in answer. Overwhelming, everyone putting 10 as their answer.
That is awesome to hear. So often people either under or overestimate how many crus there are, but there are in fact 10 crus of Beaujolais.